Dessert. It's what we all want after dinner, whether we should have it or not. And when I have dessert, I can't think of anything more I like than those creamy, custardy desserts like creme brulees and creme caramels if we're sticking on the French side of things. Bavarian creams are awesome if we're going up a little bit into Germany. But today we're visiting Italy. So if you want to round out an Italian-themed dinner, maybe you're having some beautiful seafood or ossobuco, and you want to finish up with a good Italian dessert, we're going to make a panna cotta, or panna cotta. However cotta is said, doesn't really matter. It's not going to change what we're making. I'm Executive Chef James MacInnis, and today I'm going to show you how to make it.
So we're going to start off with our milk. We're going to add it to our bowl. And then we're going to take some gelatin. Now, the recipe that I found said use 1/4 ounce package, but these packages weren't 1/4 ounce. Now, the package did say that it thickens up 500 milliliters of liquid, so I went for a package and a half. I got my cream and my sugar in the pot, and I brought it to a boil. I shut it off just started to boil, and I'm adding my thickened milk. The gelatin went into the milk, and now I'm adding some vanilla, and I'm whisking it up, and that's all there is to panna cotta. I put gelatin in milk, and I let it set up while I brought cream and sugar to a boil. I turned it off. I put that together with some vanilla, and now I'm putting it into a pitcher and I'm pouring it out into 6 different containers. That way, to portion it out. So then what you're going to want to do is, after you get it even, just let it sit out on the counter for about 20 minutes till it's done steaming. Wrap them up in saran wrap, throw them in the fridge and let them set up. I probably could have went with a little less gelatin, because when I got to them the next day, they were pretty tasty, and they're just could have been maybe a little runnier. I don't know. I'd probably go with a pack and a half again because I know it works, but I feel like you could probably get away with going with a little less, maybe a pack and a quarter if it's the gelatin that says it does 500 milliliters. So here I am just screwing around trying to get it all even. And now we've got a beauty shot of it in my nice little soft light box.
So after about an hour, I took it out of the fridge. It is set up nice. I put a little bit of berries on top of it. And let's see. Oh, that is delicious. The custard is a very nice, silky consistency. The berries add a nice little fresh fruit flavor. Oh, you can just see how it's just hanging on the spoon. Like, it's not too thick. Like, I could eat this all day. So after I poured them out, I let them sit for 20 minutes on the counter. Then I sent them in the fridge. I didn't wrap them in the fridge, and I should have, because there's a small little skin on here. I'm going to wrap the rest of them. This is, like, I'm having a hard time controlling myself not eating this whole thing in front of you. So thanks for coming out this week. I've been Executive Chef James MacInnis, and I can't wait to see you next time.